What's up everybody, Ryan here. Friday morning, got a compressor to do today and just wanted to show you how I'm gonna get it up on the roof by myself. I'm gonna use this ladder crane. All right, so basically the ladder crane hooks right over the top two rungs of the ladder. I'm probably gonna have to lower this ladder down a hair. Go ahead and secure it. I'm gonna lower the ladder down because what you gotta do is extend the ladder out and lift. So I need it a little bit lower. I'm not that tall. So I'm gonna go ahead and lower it down a couple of rungs. That should be good. All right, we're all hooked up and we're ready to pull. You extend the ladder out. And once you got it high enough up, you just bring your ladder back in towards the roof. Your compressor's right there. And you lower it down. It's that easy, baby. One-man compressor replacement up on the roof. Ladder crane. Gotta love it. All right, everybody, I got the new compressor in. I got the filter dryer replaced. All right, guys, hopefully you enjoyed that little ladder crane demonstration. Man, that thing is nice when you got to pull a compressor up on a roof by yourself. It's nice to not throw your shoulder out. Anyway, I'm about to wrap up my extension cord here, and I was just curious, and I'd like to hear from you guys in the comments how you guys store your cords. I stumbled across a video on the internet about daisy chaining your extension cords. But basically what that is you got to find the center of the cord. Find the middle of the cord, all right? You take it like this, and you make a loop. And then from there, you just feed it through. I've been storing my cords this way for the last few years, and I'm just curious if there's a lot of guys out there who do it this way. And you just keep feeding it, and looping it, and loop it, and then get one more loop in, and then I usually plug the two ends together. And I loop that through. And then I hang them. So you end up with this. It's called a daisy chain. I'm actually gonna link the video where I learned how to do this up on the card above. So if you wanna check that out, go ahead and hit that card. Anyway, what I like about this is I just hang them all right here on the back of my door. And if you only need a couple feet, you can just pull it. You can leave the rest wound up, and that, you know, you've got your amount of cord right there that you want to use. I do this with my 100 footers, my 50 footers, and my 20 footers. Again, just loop it and pull it through. Loop it and pull it through. And then the last bit you could do any way you want. I usually do it like that. And then I fold them up like this, and you can see I've got this little setup here. but I've got, you know, multiple cords. They all stay right in place. So how do you guys do your cords? Leave me a comment below. Tell me how you do it. Anyway, we got to see the ladder crane today. Showed you how I store and roll up my cords. I got some motors there that need to go to a stockpile for scrap. You guys scrap? I got away from scrapping there for a bit, but it's too hard to pass up. You need a pile of motors, you make 50 or 60 bucks. Beer money. Gonna head home, get ready for the weekend. I am on call this weekend, so we'll see if anything pops up. If so, good. If not, that's good too. So if you like my videos, please subscribe, hit that bell notification, like, comment, tell me about your cords, tell me about your ladder cranes. HVAC Survival has awesome ladder crane. If you guys haven't seen his video, I'll probably add a link to the end of this video for his monstrosity he constructed ladder crane. It's pretty awesome. It's a good video. He just put it out a month ago or so. So look for the link at the end of the video for HVACR Survival's ladder crane contraption. I'm gonna call it a day here from Massillon, Ohio. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.